Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay guys, I'm just messing with you. Big Paper Judge Day Fitness. This is probably a landmark of a video because this is probably the first video I've ever been entirely shirtless for. But I have a mission today, and that is to teach you guys how to pop your pecs. Yes, I wish I was a little bit more shredded right now, but it's bulking season. Who gives a crap? You guys want to learn how to pop your pecs or what? Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so once again, just want to say thank you guys so much for coming out and checking out the video, either clicking on the video directly or letting your autoplay go to the next video. Either way, I seriously appreciate it, and I hope you guys stick around for more. So with that being said, I have to give a quick shameless plug, and that is check out my Instagram, check out my Twitter, follow me there, of course. Subscribe to me on here, like this video, comment on this video, go check out the other videos. And also, I do customized workout programs. My email is in the description below, so you can contact me through email, Instagram, or Twitter if you would like to get a customized workout program. 10 weeks, I'm going to teach you guys, I'm going to give you guys some of the same workouts and same strategies that I used to make my transformation when I got off chemotherapy to where I am now. It took like 6 months to get like really jacked again. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in that customized workout program just for $25. And if you refer somebody successfully, you get a $5 payment regardless of whether you purchase a program or not. So with that being said, let's get on this because it is absolutely necessary. Alright, so last week I did the one arm push-up, and that was super awesome. Go check out that video. But also today we're doing the pec pop, and I think those are two of the things that if you say, hey, I work out, someone's gonna say, oh, can you pop your pecs? Oh, can you do one arm push-up? And so therefore I'm going to teach you guys how to do it, because I don't want you guys to be, alone and not able to do it, I got to make sure you guys are covered. So let's get after it. Alright, so if you're a guy or you're not curious about this at all, you can skip to this time right here. But one thing I'd like to address first is, can women actually do this? And that answer is yes, they can. It's just a lot harder, just like with showing your abs, because naturally women have a higher body fat percentage, so it is harder for them to bring out their abs, but it's entirely possible. So for doing the pec pop, alright, it's definitely possible. I've seen it happen on, it was either America's Got Talent or Britain's Got Talent. It's definitely possible, and I would love to help you guys do it. So follow these same steps that I'm about to give away, and you can do it. It'll just be a little bit harder most of the time. Maybe there's some genetic factors that play in, but anyways, we're straying off from topic here. Let's get to how you can actually do it. Alright, so this is definitely something that you have to learn. It's really tricky for me. It took me a while to get it, but it's kind of like being able to roll your tongue like this. I can do it for both sides actually. Or being able to do this with your eyebrows. It just takes some getting bored or some, just figure it out, basically. So I'm going to teach you guys how to figure it out in this video. Alright, so the first thing needs to happen if you are trying to do the pec pop is you need to make sure that you are actually working out, okay? If you have a bird chest, this is not going to work. It's not going to happen. There's nothing to pop, okay? And if you have a high body fat percentage, it's possible. It's definitely possible that can happen, but it'll just won't show as well through man titties. Alright, let's just be honest here, okay? I'm just being real with you guys. So again, don't forget, I offer customized workout programs, $25 each, and $5 rewards if you successfully refer someone to get a program from me. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so now that we know you're working out, you have some size in your chest, you don't have a bird chest, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we can master activating the chest from easy positions, and then we'll build from there. Because it's easy to activate your chest when you're doing workouts and stuff, but it's hard to activate your chest from a relaxed position like this. Look at them go. Oh, stop it, you guys, Okay, so what we want to do is the first exercise I want you guys to do is flies. You can do them with cables, you can do them with a machine at the gym. I'm all for it. It's really good for activating your chest and building size. But if you don't have that option, or right now you're just like dying to learn how to do a pec pop, maybe impress a girl or something, what you can do is you can do no equipment flies. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands together like this. Alright, I'm just going to bring them down at this angle so that way I can show you guys better. But you're going to squeeze your chest together and activate like this. Okay? Just like this. Just kind of clapping like this. Alright, I'm practicing activating my chest so that way I can learn how to do it from a relaxed position like this. So it's it's about building those nerve bridges and connecting your brain to your chest, really, so that way you can figure out how to activate those muscles without actually focusing in really hard. You're just at some point you'll just be doing it without even noticing. So check it out. Am I doing it? I don't know. So there are other positions I'd like you guys to practice activating your chest from. Put your hands to your side and squeeze really hard like this. Squeeze. Try from every single angle that you can figure out, like this one. I tell you what, let's just call these like stair pec activators, okay? Like this. So you're just gonna, like that, okay? So start from the bottom, up, 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 like that. Okay, so that was so weird, but I did it, and you guys should do it too if you want to activate your chest muscles like that, pop your pecs, alright? Go for it. Pause the video and just go for it. Okay, so after you practice that a few times, and again, if you haven't, go ahead and pause the video and just go ahead and practice it. But after you practice that a few times, what I want you to do is I want you to practice this without actually having your hands closed together. So I want you to reach like you're about to give someone a hug, and what I want you to do is I want you to activate your chest muscles from this position. So you might have to move your arms a little bit, it's okay, it happens. But like I said, we're building that mind-muscle connection, we're building those nerve bridges, and let's go for it. Ready? I'm gonna do 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Alright, so I want you guys to practice it. Go ahead and pause the video and go for it. Now that I think about it, this would have been a lot easier if I had gotten chest workout before I filmed this video. But I have a deadline to meet. Okay, so after you've done that, or maybe you've mastered it, you know, fingers crossed, what I want you to do is I want you to take one finger or one hand or whatever, I want you to place it over one pectoral, and I want you to practice from here. I want you to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, try it with the other one. 1, 2. Sometimes you have to like press into your chest to make sure that, I don't know why. I have no idea why, honestly, but it's just what worked for me. So put your fingers into your chest, make sure you're pressing in like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from there, it's just a little bit of practice makes perfect, okay? Rome wasn't built in a day. I wasn't able to master this in a day. It took me a while to figure this out, and hopefully it doesn't take that long for you guys. I slacked off when I was working out in high school, so I didn't build all the size and mass until eventually. But anyways, with that being said, just practice it. Give me like 5 minutes a day, or whenever you're bored, just start practicing it. Do those exercises that I gave you guys. And I can guarantee you, eventually, you will most certainly be able to do it. So when you are, comment down below and let me know if you're able to do it or if you found this video helpful, because I would seriously appreciate your feedback. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video. Don't forget the plug I gave earlier, my Instagram, Twitter, and email in the description below if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, or if you would like to get a customized workout program for $25. It is repeatable, and it uses the same techniques and methods that I use to go from this after chemotherapy to this. So also, I'd appreciate if you subscribe and comment on the video and like the video, and I would just seriously appreciate anything you do to help me grow as a channel, because I'm trying to make it out here, you know? Okay, I'm kidding. It's not like the biggest dream I've ever had, you know, but anyways, I got some great stuff coming for you guys. Hopefully a website in January with some special tricks and stuff added to it. I'll tell you guys more about that when I finalize the plans and stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something from it. I will see you guys every Wednesday and Saturday.